Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off double tap to wake up the screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Suppose if you have activated double tap to turn on the screen or wake up the screen, if you would like to now deactivate or turn off double tap to turn on the screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and go to smart motion, and then go to smart screen on off, and here just to turn off this button, double tap to wake, just to turn off this button, so that if you double tap on locked or off screen, phone screen will not wake up. So in this way you can easily deactivate or turn off double tap to turn on the screen or double tap to wake up the screen in your phone Vivo V29 5G smartphone. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye papa.